Alright y'all, so this is another one of my elevated garden beds. Basically I got two plastic totes in here that I plant my vegetables on each side. I had some wheels on it, and we're going to put wheels on it again, and we're going to make it look pretty again. Alright y'all, so I'm just going to put this bottom one on like this. And I'm going to use this as a spacer. Okay, so I got some areas right here where I filled it in years ago that I just need to kind of clean those out. Replace those screws. Slow, tedious, boring work, but it must be done. Alright, so we're just going to measure now for the bottom brace, because remember we're going to put a shelf here. Just measuring now for the center brace. Alright, so now we're just going to measure for the backer board, because we're going to put some slats here. Measure twice, cut once. So one of the reasons we're redoing this is because I don't want to see those plastic tubs, and so what we're going to do is put these here. So I had to make some adjustments to these to make sure that I could get these in, and these are 10.5 inches, and they'll go along each side. Alright y'all, let's measure for our top. And if you'll notice, I use these as my rails to put our vertical slats on. And this used to be the top, but it was in such warped shape. I didn't want to throw it away, but I found out I could use it for that. Alright, so Nothing fancy for the top. I need this to have an overlapping edge so that it will cover the tops of the basins. The top of the plastic basins are going to sit here. Here on the other pieces. This is what it looks like with the first coat. Alright y'all, this is our finished product. 2 separate basins so that you can separate your vegetables and plants or whatever. Custom made area right here. I have a special flower pot that I sit in there, put my tools in there. But as you can see, I used rough-sawn cedar to cover up these basins because I didn't want to see them. And we got a shelf on the bottom to hold your garden soil or whatever you might need. And of course, it rolls.